Hello friends, good evening. Today I teach to irrigation engineering and some important topic as per state PSC and any government exams, and it is a most important point today I teach to you. Uh, Important Today I teach to you important topic of irrigation engineering. This is a cross drainage work. It is a most important topic of irrigation engineering as prospect to government exams, and as per gate ESC topic also. Now we see type of cross drainage work. How many types of the cross drainage work, students? There are three major type of cross drainage work, and first aqueduct and siphon aqueduct, second super passage and canal siphon, and third level crossing. Now we we see a aqueduct. What is aqueduct, friends? So when the bed level of canal is higher than the highest flood level of the drainage, then cross drainage work is said to aqueduct. In the case of drainage water pass clearly below the canal. That means it simply means canal is over the drain. That means canal is above and drain is below. It is simple meaning is canal is above and drain is below. The MFL of minimum flood level of drain is lower elevation than bed level of canal. Yeah, aqueduct has no siphonic action. Please student, listen carefully. Aqueduct has no siphonic action. And next, you see, anyone asked to you, give me one example in aqueduct in Gujarat. Yes, we have one best example in Gujarat. On the Mahi River. It is a really engineering marvelous example. In the structure used to concrete as greater than a Burj Khalifa. That means it is a really good thing for us, and we are very fortunate to we live in Gujarat. Here we you saw aqueduct and siphon aqueduct. That aqueduct is aqueduct simple meaning is a canal is above and river is below. That means canal is above the drain is below. And second, siphonic aqueduct. Siphonic aqueduct simple means the canal is above and drain is below, but minimum flood supply level is greater than the bed level. Uh, that means siphon aqueduct. Here is you saw siphon aqueduct. Flood level drain is at higher elevation than bed level of canal. Here you saw two major point of siphonic aqueduct. Not one constructed area and has to velocity and reduce pressure. And second thing, siphon aqueduct has a siphonic action to act. This is a major thing here. Now, you are completely able to understand what I say. Simple meaning then river is below and canal is above. That means it is aqueduct. Then you see the what is the MFL of drain? The MFL of drain is higher elevation of bed level. That means siphonic aqueduct, and otherwise it is the simple aqueduct. Okay, then we go to next, super passage and canal siphon. When full supply level of canal is much below the bed level of drainage through, so that canal water flows freely under gravity. That structure provided is known as super passage. Super passage is simple meaning is a canal is below a drain. That means drain is above and canal is below. It is a super passage. And second thing, when full supply level FSL of the canal much above the bed level of drainage through the, so that canal water flows under a siphonic action under through the structure provided is known as the canal siphon. What the simple meaning is canal is below the drain. It is simple means super passage, but FSL is greater than a bed level. That means it is a canal siphon. There are two types. Canal is below the drain. That means super passage. Canal is below the drain, but its full supply level is much above the bed level. That means it is a canal siphon. Okay, friends. Then it is the example of super passage. Super passage is a simply we can say river is above and canal is below. That means of super passage and introduced canal siphon. We can simply say river is above and canal is below, but full FSL is greater than bed level. That means it is a canal siphon. That this is a more I give to more clarification of super passage and canal siphon, because some student confused of these two figure, and we understand completely in our mind to set this two figure. Here is the drain is above and canal is below. That means it is a super passage. And second condition, river is above and canal is below, but in HFL or FSL is greater than bed level. That means sub canal siphon. That final is level crossing. So when the bed level of canal and that of drainage are there some same level, uh, the structure provided is called a crossing. This is a type of cross drainage works in which canal water and drain water get intermixed. Both canal and drain runs on the ground on same elevation. Third point, four cross head regulator are provided as shown in figure. They alternate opening, closing will permit both flow without getting a mixed up. It is a most important thing. I teach to again for cross head regulator. There are four cross head regulator are provided in this figure, and the alternate opening and closing will permit both flow without getting a mixed up. It is a level crossing. See, level crossing, there are canals and river also mixed, but they have four head regulator. You see, one, two, three, four cross head regulator, river regulator, and canal head regulator, and they don't mix up. You see in this figure completely. And here we see to canal and river water get intermixed. Okay, then you completely able to understand this topic. What we today study, there are three types of cross drainage work. First is aqueduct and siphon aqueduct, super passage and canal siphon, level crossing. First we understand to completely. First is aqueduct. Aqueduct means river is above and can river is below and canal is above. That is aqueduct. Second, siphon aqueduct. Canal is above and river is below, but full supply level is greater than the bed level. That means siphon aqueduct. Second thing, super passage and canal siphon. Super passage means canal is below and river is above. That means super passage. And canal canal river river is above and canal is below, but full supply level or is greater than a bed level. That means canal siphon. And river and canal it get intermixed. That means level crossing. This is the three topics, and it is so simple, friends. I give two example of different of different cross drainage work. First example, here we saw you see canal bed level and drain bed level. First you see what is canal bed level 180 and drain bed level 187. That means drain is above, canal is below. That means this is a type 2 siphon, cross drainage and canal siphon. But how to understand which is this cross drainage or canal siphon? We see example, minimum flood level of canal is greater than FSL. That means it is a canal siphon. Okay, friends. Then I give a second example to more clarity. Second question. Here you show minimum flood level of canal and minimum flood level of drainage and bed level of canal and bed level of drainage. Here you show a drainage bed level of drainage is lower than a canal. That means canal is above and drainage is below. That means our type 1, that means aqueduct. But we see which type aqueduct? Siphon aqueduct is simple aqueduct. So minimum flood level is greater than of bed level. That means it is a siphonic aqueduct. Okay, friends, you understand? I wish you understand properly, and best of luck, friends, for your exam. And I give more example to clarify the more and more sorry friend, in your minds. Okay, friends, thank you.